matutulungan ka ng product, kung nagkaka-testimony ka dyan, mas magamit mo yan. Diba? Mas matulungan mo pa yung sarili mo. Hindi ka na kailangang manghingi. Baka ba, soon to be, ikaw pa magbigay. Kasi
Coach
kumikita ka rin.
Alex.
Yes, ganun lang po.
Coach Alex,
Yes, Sir Marky, go.
yung sinasabi ni Doktora, right? Di ba, Doktora, nung nasa California po kayo, mas ang magaling ang US sa nakita ko kasi nurse naman tayo sa nag-US dito. Ang advances in technology sa US is mostly on diagnostic, mag-diagnose. Sa cost ng pagte-take ng test, nagamot mo na or na-treat mo siya with our product. And that's the beauty of our, kasi like you said, ang Pilipino, takot magpa-check up kasi takot sa gastos, takot din malaman na may sakit. So that's why the thing, tama yung sinabi niyo po, kasi the only way you know you're sick is kung magpa-check up ka. Usually,
Yes.
hindi ka lang nagkasakit sa nung nakita mo yung bill at cost ng mga diagnostic kasi honestly nung nagalaga ako sa hospital, 5 million yung bill. So 5 million 2 months lang sa hospital. Kung hindi ka nagkasakit sa sakit mo, nagkasakit ka na din sa gastos. So that's why I'm saying is
Lalaki.
ang kagandaan ng product, the cost of the diagnostic test, nagawa mo ng paraan by just taking our product. And because takot naturally as Filipinos magpatingin, honestly, if every Filipino bago mag-take ng product, which alam naman natin hindi nagpapa-blood test, doon pa lang sa blood test mo, malalaman mo may nagawa yung product natin. But because gastos din yun at normal lang sa atin na Pilipino na path of least resistance, ayaw natin magpa-draw ng blood, hindi lang sa gastos, o masakit, kaya hindi natin nakikita yung benefits ng product natin. But if we do it the right way, magpa-check up ka muna, magpa-blood works ka lang, and then, kaya nakikita ko, natutuwa ko sa testimonies na pinapost ng mga ka-member natin. They show their blood work. In less than 3 weeks, may results na. And that's why, yun ang kagandaan ng product natin. If you want to go science to science, take the blood work, makikita mo na nag-improve yung labs mo, which wala pang side effect. Wala pang damay sa kidney, wala pang damay sa liver. That's why, Doktora, I'm very, at Coach Alex, I'm proud sa ginagawa nyo. Ito lang yung tatanungin sa sarili. Just ask yourself, saan ka nakita ng doktora na may-ari ng hospital is encouraging you to take a product that will take away business from her hospital? So doon
Yeah.
pala, that's public service na yung ginagawa ni doktora, and just me from a nurse observing galing sa States, galing sa Guam, nakita ko, rare yun. You will never find a doctor doing that. Lalo na may-ari ng hospital. So doon pa lang, blessing sa iyo, doktora, because I've never seen a doctor in my lifetime. Sa tagal ko nag-nursing sa abroad, kahit sa Pilipinas nung when I was practicing sa UST, never ako nakita na doktora that owns a hospital in promoting a product that will take away business from her business. So thank you, doktora, for doing what you do.
Well,
1975,
Thank you,
that's 50 years of medical practice, and she's
Right.
actively, see, look at her face. Sa mukha pa lang niya, bumata na siya. That's what I'm just saying. Take out the doubt. If anyone questions kung maganda yung product, you will not find a doctor doing what Dr. Jenny is doing. Doon pa lang,
Yeah.
magtaka kayo, bakit niyang gagawin yun? Because public service lang gusto ni doktora. At her practice, she's following the Hippocratic Oath, do no harm. Gusto niya tulungan lahat ng tao gumaling na. Kasi alam niya yung cost ng magpagamot sa Pilipinas. And I'll be honest, sana huwag kayo mag-ano, doktora. It's legalized highway robbery yung pagdano talaga. Magkasakit ka dito sa Pilipinas. Saan ka kita? 5 million pesos in 2 months sa isang hospital sa Pangasinan. And you're
Wow.
hindi ka magkakasakit doon pa lang sa gastos. Kung hindi lang mga pinsan ko taga-abroad lang talaga, how are they gonna pay that? But I'm just saying, dahil sa product na to, you can really help someone. Talaga. And thank you, Doktora. Thank you, Coach Alex. At sa lahat ng mga nagpa-promote nito, tuloy nyo lang kasi no one else is doing it. Yung nagdo-do nito sa ibang product, kahit sabi mo 170K, 135K, ay, para kang nagbigay ka ng false hope nung nalaman nung magkano, sa atin less than 2K. 2K pa lang. You're gonna be a blessing. Ang 2K magagawa ng paraan. Yung 2 million, ang style ng Pinoy, ito narinig ko, Doc, gawin mo na lahat. Sige, 5 million. Kailangan para mag-popula, 2 million. Sige, Doc, gagawan ko na para. Pero yung 2K, 2.5, 3.5, ay, ang mahal. Pero yung 2 million, gagawa ng paraan para sa operation. Yan ang kalokohan na nakikita ko sa Philippines because I see it every time. And that's why, Doctora, thank you for what you do. And I just want to share that because real talk lang din tayo, Coach Alex.
Tama,
Let's
real
tell the
talk
truth.
talaga.
Real talk talaga. Ganun ang observe ko because kaya ako nawala, Doktora. I took care of my auntie sa hospital and I seen it. Ultimong gloves. Isang box na gloves. Thousands na sinisingil. So what more?
Wow.
Gloves. Kaya sinasabi ko, sa labas kami bumibili ng gloves para sa tita ko. She passed away. But I think it was her time. 90 years old na siya. But my thing is, I wish we knew this earlier. Marami pa sana tayo natulungan. So thank you, Doktora. I just wanted to keep it real because what you're doing is public service. Doon pa lang, if there's anyone that doubts, just look at Doc Jenny. Owns her own hospital. Why is she promoting this? Doesn't need to. Counter, but she does it because she loves to help people live longer. At kailangan sa Pilipinas, mga kababayan natin nagsasuffer twice. May sakit na, nung nakita yun, cancer of the pocket pa. Nung nakita magkano yung babayaran nila. So this way, no need for a diagnostic exam. Take the product. Magpagaling ka na. Pag hindi pa na-reach your result, keep taking it until gumaling ka. Follow what Dr. says 3 times before meals. Take it. Ganun lang. Ganun kasimple. Because that's the real talk I'm gonna tell you as a nurse that observed it. Eto, her hemodialysis nurse. Eto na-observe ko. Sa tagal ko nagda-dialysis nurse sa Guam, sa US, never ko nakita na tumigil sa dialysis na hindi namatay or nagka-transplant. Dito tumigil sa dialysis dahil lang sa product na to. If that's not enough, for a nurse to say, gumaling ang tao with this product, ano pa bang hanapin mo pa? So, that's why I'm telling you, real talk lang tayo. What would you rather do? Habang buhay nagda-dialysis ka, which is short, hindi ka tatagal sa dialysis, even with the latest technology, this one will get you off dialysis if you just keep it up. Kaya tulungan mo yung tao bago pa magpa-transplant yun. Kasi once you nag-transplant yun, hindi mo na magagamit to eh. Why? Kasi yung gamot na habang buhay na inumin mo, which is immunosuppressant, this product will wake up the immune system. Kaya hindi mo na matutulungan yung nag-transplant. So bago pa yan magpa-transplant, get them on this product. If you really want to help them and you really care for them, as a dialysis nurse, yan ang gawin nyo. Hanapin mo lahat ng mga tao nagda-dialysis na hindi pa nagta-transplant. Tulungan na natin. Get them on this product. Andyan naman si Doc Jenny to guide you in the process. Pag sinabi, sino nag-order niya? Andyan naman si Doc Jenny giving you free consultation. So thank you po, Doc. Pasensya na, taking it from your time, but that's how I came back now. Not because I didn't want to miss you. Kailangan ko lang tumulong sa tita mo, but na-miss ko kayong lahat because we have a great product. Promote it, guys. Take it, use it. Don't doubt it kasi mas mahal pa yung diagnostic exam. Kesa bumili ka ng product, gamitin mo, and feel the results. And if you doubt it, mag-blood work kasi kayo and compare before and after. And in 3 weeks to a month, there's no way you're not gonna see a difference. Talagang may difference. Takot lang tayo magpa-labs. But do it if you really want to question kung talagang it's effective. I guarantee you will see a difference in your lab works. Yung, Chem 7. Take a Chem 7, makikita mo yung lab works have done. I'll tell you, ulitin ko yung sinabi Doc Jenny, hyperthyroidism. Ang creatinine niya is 77. Sinabi ng doctor, magpa-dialysis ka. Kasi talagang, ang pipirama mo is discharge against medical advice. Pag hindi siya pumayag, nag-settle si doktora to do drugs na lang. Hindi yung mag-dialysis. And then, may type 2 diabetes, essential hypertension. Apat na sakit, doktora, from 77 where 0.58 is the normal. Tignan mo, 1 na lang. Doon pa lang, yung telling someone na hindi mo na kailangan mag-dialysis, para mong sinabing second, third, fourth life mo na yun. So guys, what Doc Jenny is doing is golden nuggets yan. Kunin mo yung message niya na nag-dialysis, dapat siya pinapadialysis, hindi na kailangan mag-dialysis, at nagzuzumba pa si doktora, and she looks forever young pa. So ano pa bang hanapin mo? That's why I say, owns her own hospital, countering the hospital to make money because she wants to do public service, and then still walks the talk, walking billboards si doktora, attended her reunion, yung 50-year reunion, at alam ko, number one topic, oh, anong ginawa mo? Bakit hindi ka bumata ka? And I'm sure that was the topic of our reunion. You know, no? So, guys, that's I just wanted to share with that kasi talagang, don't doubt the product, try it lang, try it. And if you really want to prove it, take a lab works muna bago ka and then prove it. So, lahat tayo, we can use that information na may labs ka, ito yung before and after, mas magiging powerful ang testimonial natin. Pag may labs ka, ito yung 3 weeks before using it and 3 weeks after it, we will have so many testimonies. Wala nang magsasabi, ay hindi, ano lang yan, hype lang yan. Walang hype when it comes to science because may lab works ka eh. So guys, if you really want to help, magpa-labs kayo. Take it and then show before and after, and then we can get more people na nagsasabi, I doubt it. Ay hindi, baka ano lang, chamba lang yan. There's no chamba in dialysis, guys. You either die, transplant, wala na, dito, you can get off of it possibly. And that's the beauty, guys. Yun yung personal public service ko lang sabi. Doctora's doing a big favor for all of us, what she's doing. And that's why I just wanted to highlight that because parang sa akin, if you're an unbeliever, look at that. Just the logic of that. Own your own hospital, but promoting something that counters you making money, doon pa lang, she's doing this for heart. That's the type of doctors we need. Yung that want people to live longer. Kasi isang tao na mawala sa pamilya mo, malaking bagay na yan. So that's why we need to help each other out. Kasi mahal magpa-hospital. Madali ka ma-bankrupt. Just like that, kahit anong yaman mo, ma-hospital ka lang ng 1 to 2 months, lalo na ICU. 5 mil is 5 mil. Kaya guys, from my heart, I'm telling you, Doctora's doing this public service sobra. So that's all I can say. Thank you, Coach Alex din. What you're doing
Thank you,
is
Sir Marky. Yan.
so learning sa
Welcome
ginagawa mo sa natural.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Okay. Yan, tama
Thank
yung sabi po ni Sir